How you doing today, guys? We're gonna make this a really quick, fast video, but I wanna show you how to change the light bulb in an 02, it's a Dodge Ram 2500. It's got the Cummins diesel if you're curious. I wanna show you how to do this really fast, because if you're watching this video, you've already either sworn a ton, thrown a tool, or scratched your knuckles. This video is gonna be less than 5 minutes. First, I want you to go down and hit the like button. Did you hit the like button? Because I'm serious, this is going to be less than 5 minutes. You're going to get the secret, and you're going to feel like a maroon for not knowing this trick and how easy it is. But here we go. Look at the headlight, and there's these 3 notches in the headlight. If you take your finger and stick it in the hole where it goes, you're going to feel 3 notches deep inside there. The first secret is you got to make sure you line these notches up when you're putting the headlight back in. The thing that the connector was on is straight up. The second thing we're going to do is, before we go to put this back in, we're going to spray some silicone on a paper towel. We're not going to touch the headlight, and we're going to rub that silicone around the gasket here, just a light coating of silicone. You cannot get anything on this light bulb or it's going to really be bad, but I just want a very light coating on this gasket, just in case. I want to take every advantage I can. The final thing is you've got this ring here that says on and off. So you're going to take this ring, come in at about 11 o'clock, not going to force anything, and you're going to gently move it back and forth until it feels like it kind of seats. Once it seats, it's literally just like an 1/8 quarter of a turn. It's not even a half a turn. You'll turn it, it's not going to take much force, and boom, you've got it. Once you got the bulb in, take the little connector, snap it back in. The hole is clear. I know where those 3 pins are. I'm going to put some silicone on a paper towel, and I'm just going to put some on that O-ring. Not getting any silicone on the bulb. Okay, I'm then going to very carefully wipe the silicone off. I'm sorry guys, I can't get you the view, but I'm going to reach in, look for where that hole is. The bulb is in the hole, and now I'm pushing forward, and when I got it in the hole, it is locked in there. It is totally locked in there. Okay, now I'm going to take this little ring. I'm going to notice it says off and on. I'm going to put it on that bulb at about the 11 o'clock position. We're doing this just by feel, and you got to kind of wiggle it a little bit, and it's seated. You'll have to wiggle it back and forth to get those teeth. There's 3 teeth on the ring that have to kind of fit on the bulb. I've seated it. I'm at about 11 o'clock. If I go down to 10, it stops. If I go looking this way, if I go down to 10, it stops. If I turn it to the right, the bulb is seated. Done. Now all we need to do is connect that wire. First we have to find said wire. Wire is connected. Done. You can do this, guys. You can do this. The secret is to put the bulb in before you put that gray ring on. The silicone may or may not make a difference. I'm taking every advantage I can get. But now we have it on file for you, and we have it on file for me next time. Thanks for watching, guys. That's spaghetti sauce, folks. That's all it is, spaghetti sauce. It's okay. My God, this is ridiculous. What the heck, man? Come on, you can do this.